Bonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Usibongile ekamereni lakhe laseresi. She is packing off or packing away her few things that are left. We can see her suitcases, guys. Kushuguti, it's final ngempela, guys. Usibongile has been expelled from a university. So Wenzo is there, and Wenzo then says to Usibongile, "Awucabanga ukuthi kungumqondo omuhle ukuthi uhlale lana." Usibongile then says, "Ngihlale kuphi?" Ukwenza then says, "La eThekwini nami." She looks at Ukwenza like to say ukuthi yebo uyasangana yini wena. Ukwenza then says, "Oh, come on, Sibongile. Think about it, ke. I mean, like, we can figure out life together, yabo. Plus, ke, ne-Aesthetics Inc. iyathembisa." Usibongile then says, "Khona kuzwakala njengesiqalo esisha esihle." Ukwenza then says, "Yeah, so xa uyicabangisise lento." Usibongile then says, "Kwenzo, angicabangi ukuthi kungumqondo omuhle lo. Do you remember the outcome of the last time we tried our shot in something like this? Angifuna ubaba afike laphayana and whoop us." And then Ukwenza then says, "Oh, okay." And then the scene ends like that. Next scene, uNomfundo in the Dlamini mansion, guys, ziyambuyela. She wakes up in the morning and she notices ukuthi Njengaye is not next to her in the bed. And you can see ukuthi she's annoyed. Guys, I'm just like, uNomfundo bekacabangani? She thought ukuthi moving into the Dlamini mansion meant she's gonna have more time no Njengaye, but apparently it looks like it's worse off than when she was staying quiet. She takes her phone, afonele uSamke. She then says, "Samke, hi. Ngikuthole ngesikhathi esiright." uSamke then says, "How? Si-right mnganami. Babsi, bengicela ukuthi uthathe over nangalana ubala imali. Asikisi mnganami, uyazi ukuthi ekuseni kuba busy kangakanani lana." uNomfundo then says, "Hayi kulungile, ngiyazi ukuthi ukubhizi laphayana ekuseni. Yikuthi nje bengifuna umuntu engizoxoxa naye." uSamke then says, "Yini? Khuluma nami. Wenze njani? I-arrangement yakho ihamba kanjani?" uNomfundo then says, "Hey, if ubusazi, akho lutho that's worth bragging about." Then uSamke then says, "How? Wasounda ingathi uya-enjoya ukuba the queen of the castle." uNomfundo then says, "Samke, unjengaye unama-personalities amaningi. Ngelinye ilanga unothando, ngelinye ilanga ingathi i-volcano nje ezoqhuma. Hayi ngeke." uSamke then says, "So ufuna ungitshela ukuthi uqala ukubona ama-true colors akhe?" uNomfundo then says, "Yeah, ungikhombise iside eli-dark ngalendlela. And you're so quick to cut off those that he loves so quickly. Nokwenzo lo, his favorite, is nothing to him anymore. And izolo ebusuku akalalanga lana. Ngiyabona uye wayolala noPhetheni." uSamke then says, "Lalela mnganami. Ngizokunikeza i-advice as umngani wakho. Uyabona umuntu wesifazane mekashada akashadeli indoda ngoba yinhle nokuthi is-strong kangakanani. No. A wise woman doesn't do that. A wise woman marries so that her kids can have ikusasa elikhalazile. Ushada nokuthi naye abe right ngoba ucabangela ikusasa lakhe. The rest ke ayibo, it's irrelevant." uNomfundo then says, "So when Samke you expect me ukuthi ngithule and I must turn a blind eye to all of this?" uSamke then says, "Ungizwa kahle. Shaya ingathi awunakile wena wenze sure ukuthi lo mshado wakho noNjengaye uyaziwa and uyabonakala, and then ufocus-ke umkhumbuze uNjengaye why he initially fell in love with you." Uyayibona lento? uNomfundo smiled and that scene ends like that. Guys, I think ukuthi uNomfundo is right. If uNjengaye can cut off his own favorite son, ukwenza nje kanjalo, what about her? Because uhleli kwaDlamini, there's nothing that has been done. There's no nobolas in or nothing. uNjengaye angamjikela anytime and kick her out nje kanjalo. So she needs to secure herself. Anyway, again, next scene, we see Uzama benosibongile. Uzama ukhapha uSibongile out of the university residence. They carrying bag zikaSibongile and the last few things that she had in the room. So then Uzama then says, "Hayi kodwa my F, it can't be that istory sethu siphela lana. Hayi ngeke. Oh, ngizokukhumbula kodwa yazi Sibongile then says, nami ngizokukhumbula Zama. Kodwa kungcono ukuthi uzoba nekamera elithi wena yabo and then bahleke. Uzama then says, hayibo, oh, hawu kahle. Usibongile then says, yazi, angifuni uqamba amanga. Have ngizoyikhumbula le ndawo. Yazi Zama, ngizizwa ungathi amaphupho ami ayashabalala phambi kobuso bami ngibhekile. Uzama then says, kodwa-ke, oh, mina angikwazi ukuthi simiyeke ubusi awine nje kanjalo, oh, hayi ngeke. It doesn't seem right. As Uzama speaking like that, nango-ke ubusi nabangani bakhe passing guys kuyahlekwa kumnandi. Uzama then says, awumbheke futhi. Uzama quickly puts down the box and then she's like, ngifuna ukumshaya. Usibongile tries to pull her. She's like, Zama miyeke, Zama miyeke. She's pulling Uzama. Uzama wants to go and hit ubusi. Usibongile is like, miyeke, unembeza wakhe uzomudla. Uzama then says, you're a bigger person than I am, because wow. Usibongile then says, as the world has its way of taking care of tricksters, konke okwenza bumuntu kuyabuya buwena. Liyeza olwakhe usuku. And then they approach the gates. Maybe fika ngasegatini. Uvuma is standing there. Uzama then says, sawubona baba. And she hands over the box to Ubaba Uvuma. Ubaba Uvuma then says, ya mntanami ngiyabonga. Bengicela ukuthi ungifakele leli bhegi la ehlombe. So Uzama is passing on imthwalo kaSibongile to Ubaba Uvuma. Uzama then says, mnganami. And then they had been uSibongile. Uzama then says, okay, bye. And then uSibongile says, izobonana. And the scene just ends like that. That was sad, guys, seeing uSibongile just leave nje kanjalo while ubusi is busy laughing there. Again, next scene we see uNomfundo is at a office scene at Sibawukhulu Holdings. All we see her do, guys, is that uphayela indoda yakhe eplatini. She is there for lunch or there to have lunch with uNjengaye emsebenzini. But listen, she bought takeaways for her man, but her man angeke. Aneva amvumela dlele elokuzeni ku-cardboard. She's dishing up for him from the takeaway into a plate. So Njengaye gets out of the office and he's like, how manje? He's smiling them. Unomfundo then says, Sibawukhulu, ungarelaxa nje, hlala phansi. She takes off his blazer, ahlale phansi ngempela uNjengaye. uNjengaye is like, okay, manje, you did all of this for me. uNomfundo then says, yebo, phela mina ngiyazi ukuthi indlela enhlizweni yakho idlule esiswini sakho. And then they both laugh. uNjengaye is like, how madoda? uNomfundo ahlale phansi. And then she's like, Sibawukhulu, wangithembisa ukuthi uzokhuluma nomalume, ubhale incwadi and send it emndenini wami. uNjengaye then says, oh, yeah. Uyabona nawe, hey? My mind was racing with everything that has been happening. uNomfundo then says, bathi-ke, isikhathi is waiting for no man phela. uNjengaye then says, kodwa-ke ngiyakuthembisa kuzokwenzakala. uNomfundo then says, angikwazi phela ukulinda impilo yami yonke to be umfazi wakho. uNjengaye then laughs and is like, mfumfu, ngiyakuthembisa kuzokwenzeka, I won't let you down. uNomfundo then says, all right-ke Sibawukhulu, mawusho njalo-ke shuthi uyazi-ke ukuthi ulalaphi namhlanje ebusuku. While she's smiling at him, uNjengaye then says, yeah. uNomfundo then says, idla-ke ungaze kuphole ukudla kwakho. uNjengaye then says, let me eat the love portion and then adle. And then they both laugh. uNomfundo then says, kwinya-ke ngaphakathi. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, it looks like uNomfundo is taking uSamke's advice to make sure ukuthi lobudlelwane bakhe between noNjengaye must be known and it must be sealed ngokomthetho. Okay, next scene we see uSamke uyaklina kwambalenhle when uSibongile walks in. So when she sees uSibongile, she's like, Sibongile mntanami. She rushes over. She goes and hug uSibongile. She's like, ukahle, I'm sorry ngalento eyenzekile. uSibongile then says, ngiyabonga ma. Yazi ma, ngizizwa ingathi ngiyisiphoxa. Ngihambile mina ngaye eMaritzburg kodwa sengibuyile manje. Angiphethe degree to my name. uSamke then says, mntanami, awusiso isiphoxa. Awuphoxanga muntu, okay? And yazi ukuthi ngikhona mina. Noma yini ofuna ukuthi ngikusize ngayo, ngizokusiza. Uyakwazi lokho angithi? Nala embalenhle ungancedisa ukuthi yabona ungacabangi kakhulu. Usibongile then says yebo mangiyabonga. Usamke then says uyazi ukuthi ngingenza noma yini for wena. Yithi ngikulungiselele ukudla, I'm sure ukhathele. And the scene ends like that. Guys, I hope ukuthi Usamke is not going to take advantage of Usibongile, because what does she mean ukuthi ungasiza la embalenhle, and she's putting it in a way of so that Usibongile just, so that she can get her mind off things. I hope ukuthi she's not going to be a daily way to Usibongile. Next scene ke uNjengaya and uNomfundo are in ekamereni lika Nomfundo. They are busy feeding each other strawberry, guys. Akumnandi. UNjengaya then says yazi kodwa uStrawberry bayakhohlisana. What they look like isn't what they taste like. uNomfundo then says yeah, ayaheha wona kodwa ke after the first bite, then they continue feeding one another there, guys. Nomfundo goes on to say ukuthi you will come back for more after the first bite. uNjengaya then says njengomunye umuntu engimaziyo. uNomfundo ahleke and she's like uyangijabulisa ukuthi ungifanisa nabo Strawberry. uNjengaya then says how phela wena mfufu yazi uperfect as if niyaqala ubona nje. uNomfundo then says siwalikhulu how, blushing there. uNjengaya then says how ngiyakutshela yazi uvusa nje ezinye izinto manje. That time when he's saying that uPhetheni usemnyango, she is about to come and knock on Nomfundo, and she hears uNjengaya's voice saying that. uNjengaya goes on to say mina ke ngizothini ngoba fanele ngithobele umthetho. Then they get underneath the sheets. He's like wazalani. uNomfundo's laughing. She's like how cool. Shame uPhetheni is so hurt, you guys. She goes back to her room angrily. Kanti uPhetheni unjani? Next scene, girl, we see Usibongile. She is sitting alone in Mbalenhle, and then we see Ukwenzo coming in. Ukwenzo comes and he sits next to her, and he's like, hey. Usibongile then says yazi kuyangijabulisa ukubona kodwa besingekho isidingo sokuthi ufike ebusuku kangaka. Ukwenzo then says empelweni Sibongile ungiphatha kabi ungakuboni isikhathi eside. Yazi Sibongile bengicabanga lana unganjani siqalise ingxoxo zamalobolo. Usibongile looks at Ukwenzo. She's like ngempela Kwenzo. Ukwenzo's like yeah. Usibongile's like Ima. When ucabanga ukuthi becoming someone's wife will give me fulfillment. Ukwenzo's like how Sibongile angisho kanjalo. Usibongile then says cha Kwenzo timing yakho off and it's insensitive. Ukwenzo's like how. Usibongile's like mina Kwenzo nginamaphupho amaningi and lawo maphupho adlula ukuba umfazi womuntu. Ukwenzo's like okay ke ngiyaxolisa ke Sibongile ukuthi ngikwenze umuntu ongaphelele kokuthi ngifele ube unkosikazi wami. Usibongile then says cha Kwenzo, if anything happens to you, I want to be in a position where singabukani emehlweni ngikwazi ukungenelela impilo iqhubeke. Ngizokwenza kanjani lokho by being just umfazi wakho? Anginalutho, angifundile, anginalo ibhizinesi, anginalutho nje engaphansi kwegama lami. How will I manage? Ukwenza then says no, ngikuza kahle. Inkinga la uthatha mina kancane angithi angilidingi usizo lwakho Sibongile. I am fully capable of providing for my family on my own. Angeke ngihluleke ukutreat unkosikazi wami kahle ngimnakekele. Kodwa ke kulungile ngiyakuzwa. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, not Usibongile taking out her frustration on Ukwenzo, because Ukwenzo's intentions are good and pure. I get ukuthi she kind of feels like, listen, the last thing I want is just to become a wife, because vele Usibongile nobaba uVuma did say ukuthi Usibongile imfundo yakhe ayibe phambili. But guys, I'm just like Usibongile, come on, give Ukwenzo a break. Give him a break. He's been trying to support you. He's been here. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.